In the heart of the Whispering Valley lived Mount Puff, the shyest, tiniest volcano in the world.
Don't be scared, Mount Puff. I know you have something magical inside you.
The villagers laughed. A volcano that doesn't erupt is just a pile of dirt, they would say.
You know, Mount Puff, a blue moon is incredibly rare, but finding a friend like you makes the whole world feel truly magical.
You are my absolute best friend, Mount Puff. And this happens just once in a blue moon.